Hello, boys and girls. I am Miss Moran, and welcome back to your math lesson. Remember, all of this week we're learning about addition. So let's review our anchor chart real quick before we do any activities. Remember the name of this sign? This sign is called the plus sign. And down here we have an addition sentence, and the way you read it is 1 plus 3 equals 4. Remember, the name of this symbol is equals. And we know what we are adding when we hear some of these words. So we hear 3 cats were sitting outside and 2 more joined them. So when we hear join, that means that we're going to be adding. We're going to add all of them together to get our answer. Or if we hear the word more, like I have 3 cubes and I get 3 more. How many more do I have? So all of those words means that we're going to add them all together to get our answer. Okay, come along with me while we do a couple more addition problems and then I'll go over your homework. Okay, so for today's activity, we are going to continue doing addition sentences or addition problems. I already wrote my numbers up here. Remember, these are the ones that are going to help us if we still can't identify numbers. If you already can identify your numbers from 1 to 10, you don't really need to have numbers up there. But I'm going to keep them for now. And so remember, in our addition sentence, first we're going to have a number that goes right there. Then our symbol, which is our addition symbol or a plus sign. Another number is going to go here. And then we're going to have the equal sign. And then another number goes here. Okay, so today I'm going to be using spiders. And so let me start. We can start like a word problem. So there were 2 spiders on a spider web, and then 4 more came along. How many spiders are there? Okay, so that's where the answer is going to go. So let's do that. So the number that's going to go here are the number of spiders. So we're count together. 1, 2. That's number 2. So we're going to write 2. And now we're going to put the number that goes here is the number of spiders that are on this side. So let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now to get this number, we have to add all of this. And we're going to write that number right here. So let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6, 6. All right. So now let's read the addition sentence together. Do you remember how to do it? Let's see. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Good job. Okay. So let me erase this so we can do a new problem. Okay. So now my word problem is going to be, there were 5 spiders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 5 spiders on the spider web and no more spiders came. How many spiders do I have in total? All right, so let's do that problem now. Let's count the spiders, and whatever number of spiders we have there, we're going to write it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. On this side, how many do I have? I have nothing, so I have number 0. Now I have to count everything up here to find the answer to our addition sentence. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that's number 5. Let's read this addition sentence together. 5 plus 0 equals 5. Good job. Okay, so now let me go over your homework. Okay, so today this is going to be your homework, and we're going to continue doing addition problems. We're going to be adding. For this one's going to be a little bit different from yesterday's. Here we have an addition sentence, or the beginning of an addition sentence, which is 1 plus 1 equals something. So these are going to be chocolate mugs, and here we have marshmallows. You can actually use the marshmallows to help you count. So we're going to be counting how many marshmallows are in each mug, and then how many they are in total. And these are the numbers. So whatever number goes here, that's the number of marshmallows that go here. What number goes here is the number of marshmallows you're going to put here. Once you count all of the marshmallows all together, that's the number you're going to put here. So here we have 1. So we're going to grab one of the marshmallows and put it right there. And here we have 1. So we're going to grab another marshmallow and put it here. So now we're going to add the marshmallows together to get our answer right here. So 1 and 2. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Remember, you have the number line up here. You can move it around if you need to, or to get it closer if you need to, so that you can look for number 2 if you don't know how to write it. If you know how to write it, or if you know how to type it, type it. But if you're not sure, that's when we're going to use the number line. So here we have 1 and 2. So we're going to go 1 and 2. That's number 2. So then you can click on the square and type number 2. Okay. Now, if you're having problems getting your tablet to type number 2, what you can do is you can go up here to the select a line and then go to scribble. And then you can write number 2 right there. Okay. Either way works. So remember, you're moving this marshmallows to the cups, and you look at this number, and that's the number of marshmallows you're going to put here. And the number of marshmallows that are the number here is the number of marshmallows you're going to put here. The number that goes here is when you add it all together. Okay. All right. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Remember, we are learning how to add, and we're going to be doing a couple of addition problems all of this week. All right. I'll see you here tomorrow. Bye-bye.